Good morning. It's going on 11ish. We're in Herman, perched on a rock that juts out into the Dault Creek marsh. I'm doing this freehand because it's too hard to carry a tripod in here through the wet woods, shrubs, blueberry plants. I had a couple wild blueberries on the way here. I came the 5 miles up the Herman Hill from the fruit stand down there. Sorry, I lost my place. Over Joe's Creek Bridge. Now they get the rain, darn it. Away they go until Thursday. Let's see if I can stand up there. Show you the rock I'm on here. It's high points up there. The marsh comes all the way over here. And right out there is the crossroads there of Herman. If you came to that, you would make a left to go to Summit and right to go to the DSS&A railroad house. Anyhow, sure is pretty up here. Too bad it's got the rain on my lens, but anyhow, it's time for me to make the journey back down the Herman Hill. A few blueberries as I go and go home and upload these videos and look forward to Thursday. Hope you're enjoying. Thanks to all my subscribers, new and old. Hope you like my stuff. If you have any suggestions, just let me know. I'm open to criticism, info, anything you want to share with me, just let me know. Okay, this is Nancy in Herman. Thanks for watching.